Hey, hi. So basically, your patient and admin and doctor part is ready. It is like the Android part is ready, like whatever we have decided. Okay. So this is the uh, home page. Okay. Here there are certain option sign up and login. So if I go to sign up, so I can put my information. It is the sign up page as a patient. Okay. And similarly there is a login section, so in the login section I can put my credential and I can do the login. Okay. And there is one more admin portal. If I go to login section and type admin@gmail.com admin, so I can be login as an admin. Okay, so I have given authority to admin to add a doctor or delete a doctor. Okay, so admin can add a doctor from here with their fees, email, and their latitude, their hospital latitude, longitude, a hospital address, and specialization, whether he is neurologist, cardiologist, okay, etc. And similarly in the all doctor section they can see the list key, those how many doctors are present. Okay, they can also delete from here their account. Okay, and in the pending bookings, admin can able to see all pending appointments of patient and doctors. Okay, so Jay is a doctor and there is a location Nagpur, email Jay, and testing is their uh, comment. Okay, patient information is this, and if appointment success, then admin can also update the status, and they can also go to direction, and in the direction they will be, they can see the location of hospital. Okay, appointment date and everything is there. Okay, so now let me log in as a user. Okay, user means patient. Okay, so this is the one of the patient uh, patient credential. Okay, so it is the home screen for the patient. Okay, suppose I want to book a appointment, so I can go to all doctors. Okay, and in the all doctors I will have the list of doctors, okay, based on their profession and their fees. And suppose I want to uh, book this surgeon, 500 rupees surgeon, then I can simply click to book slot, and in the book slot I can select the particular, let me go to J. I have the J email address. Okay, I can select the appointment timing and date. Okay, and I can also mention key comment, like whatever comment you want to mention, like I have fever or whatever, like any comment can be put here. Okay, yeah, I am suffering from fever, etc. Okay, and I can book the slot. Okay, after book slot it will be redirect to the pending appointment. So as you can see, I have recently booked appointment of 19 November 7:35. Okay, and following is the J information. J is a doctor, right? Neurosurgeon, and comment is also there. And in the direction, if you put proper latitude longitude, you will be redirect to Google Map, and Google Map will be show the uh, path for the particular hospital. Okay, I have added that location thing as well. It was not there in your proper system, but I have added. Okay, so this is a J credential. J is a doctor. Okay, and I can put their credential into the login. So as you can see, there are the two options for the J: pending appointments and view all appointments. In the view all appointments, all completed appointment will be visible here. Okay, as of now there is nothing, and in the pending there will be a pending list will be there. Okay, as of now might be there is something happened with the uh, J account, but yeah, we can uh, do login with some other as well. It is nothing but kind of a admin thing. As you can, I shown you the pending appointments. Okay, So Jay will also have here. Okay, I'll check the issue, but yeah, it is nothing but a minor issue. But yeah, this way we have completed your system. Okay, for the hospital flow. Okay, so yeah, thank you.